Okay, here we are given this function and we have two parts. The first part says we are going to solve f of x is equal to 24. And the second part is that we are going to evaluate f of 24. As we can see, both questions, they involve 24. However, they are two very different questions. Because for this one, when we are solving equations, you see, here it says f of x is equal to 24. In fact, we do not know what x is. And that's precisely our goal, to figure out what x is so that in the end, the output will be 24. However, for the second one, to evaluate f of 24, when the 24 is itself the f right here, this is telling us x is precisely equal to 24, and you can just go ahead and plug in 24 into that x, and then you go ahead and work that out. So they are two very different questions. Anyway, let's begin with the first one. So here we go. To solve this right here, you see f of x is equal to this. That's the given. So go ahead and just replace that. So I'll write it down as 2 over 3x plus 4, and that's equal to 24 right here. All right, now you see you have this plus 4. Let's go ahead and minus 4 on both sides. And we'll just solve the equation, right? So minus 4 on both sides. And then we will have 2 over 3x on the left-hand side. And that's equal to 24 minus 4, that's going to be 20, just like this. Now, here we have 2 over 3 times x is equal to 20. To get rid of the 2 over 3, we will usually divide it by whatever this is, but this is a fraction. When you divide it by this fraction, it's the same as multiply by its reciprocal. So, instead of putting down divided by 2 over 3, we'll just go ahead and put it down as multiply by its reciprocal, which is 3 over 2, right? And we'll of course do the same on the other side. And you'll see if this is real or wrong, because you can have a look right here. When we multiply this fraction and that fraction, well, we can cross cancel. The 3 and 3 will cancel, and likewise the 2 and 2 will also cancel. So we do get the x by itself on the left hand side, which is very nice. And then on the right hand side though, this is 3 over 2 times 20 to multiply fraction. If you would like, you can look at this as 20 over 1. And again, we can cross cancel. 3 and 1, nothing much we can do. But 2 and 20, we know 2 goes into 2 one time, and 2 goes into 20 10 times. So we can just do 3 times 10, which is 30, over 1 times 1, which is 1. 30 over 1, it's of course nicely equal to 30. So the answer for this is 30, right? Or if you would like, you can also have done it as 3 times 20 is 60, divided by 2, and then that's still going to give you 30. Okay, for this one, to calculate f of 24, to evaluate this expression, all we have to do is, x is given to be 24 already, right? So we just have to plug in into that x. So let me write this down here for you guys. F of 24, that's just equal to 2 over 3 times 24, and then plus 4 after that. Just like that. Okay, here we have 2 over 3 times 24. So again, what we can do is look at this as a fraction, 24 over 1. And we're multiplying fractions, and again, try to cross cancel first. 2 and 1, nothing we can do, but 3 and 24. 3 goes into 3 one time, and 3 goes into 24 8 times. And then we can just do 2 times 8, which is 16. And then we just add a 4 after that. And of course, at the end, we can just go ahead, finish this. The final answer is 20, right? So you see, there are two very different questions. We end up with two very different answers. So that's it. Be really careful with solving versus evaluating.